Senador Jinggoy Estrada. Ginisa masyado itong si Morales. Giniit niya na ito ay sinungaling. At ito naman si Senador Bongo. Ang idol natin ay tinatanong itong si Lasso, bakit nakatakas ang mga preso sa PDEA?
Gustuhin natin. Pero if you have this kind of resource person who are spreading lies and intrigues, that is not acceptable, Mr. President, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Senator Jinggoy. I would yield the floor to Senator Bongo. You have the floor, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman and Senate President Mig Zubiri at sa lahat ng resource persons narito, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Una po sa lahat, gusto ko pong klaruhin that our objective here is to shed light on the matter and to uncover the whole truth in these allegations. Nothing but the truth. No more, no less. Nandito po ako para suportahan ng ating chairman, Senator Bato, para alamin po ang katotohanan. The truth only. Hindi po tayo magkakamali dyan. Kaya naman po ako po'y sumasangayon kay Senator Bato that we should keep politics out of this hearing. Ang pangunahing layunin natin dito ay ang kapakanan at kaayusan ng publiko. Ayaw natin na bumalik ang paglalaganap ng illegal na droga dahil pag bumalik yan, babalik na naman po ang kriminalidad, babalik po ang korupsyon sa gobyerno. Hindi ito dapat nakadepende kung sino yung kakampi natin dito. Isa po ang ating labanan po ang illegal na droga. Kaya umaapila po ako dahil sa ating mga resource persons nandito ngayon, sabihin nyo lang po ang totoo, the truth only. At pinag-usapan po natin ang droga dito. Mas importante po itong problema ng droga sa ngayon. Since we are talking about operations of PDEA against illegal drugs, may I just also ask Mr. Chair to Director General Lasso, last May 2, 146.2 million worth of shabu was seized in Zamboanga City. Totoo po ito, Director General?
You may answer, General Lasso.
Totoo ba ito, yes or no?
Can I just ask our operations officer to make sure, Your Honor? Your Honor, can we just check with our office? We don't have the copy of the report right now. We are just checking if there is really an operation that was conducted or not, Your Honor.
Opo. At may karagdagang tanong lang po ako, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, nakarating po na ngayong araw na ito, no, may report na nakatakas daw yung mga presong involved mula dito sa PDEA detention cell. Totoo ba ito?
Your Honor, that's true. At 3 a.m. this morning, it is now being investigated by the regional director in coordination with the Philippine National Police.
Ano bang nangyari, Mr. Chair?
Your Honor, what I got is that they were able to open the roofing of the jail facility. We were on our way here to attend the hearing when I was talking to our regional director, so I still don't have so much details about the incident, Your Honor.
Yun po ang problema dito, Mr. Chair, no? Pag bumalik na naman po ang illegal na droga, babalik na naman ang kriminalidad, babalik na naman po ang korupsyon sa gobyerno. Habang pinag-uusapan natin dito, itong issue ng sa PDEA, meron pang malaking problema ang ating PDEA, nakatakas pa, nahuli na nakatakas pa. So, yun lang po, Mr. Chair. Magtulungan po dapat ang gobyerno para masugpo itong kinakatakutan nating illegal na droga, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Your Honor, Senator Bongo. Well, we have invited General Serapio. Nakiusap siya dahil flight niya pauwi ng Davao this afternoon. Unahin ko munang tanongin si General Serapio para makaalis na. Ito.